everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. 5 minutes and one sheet of 12 by 12. That's all we need. Stay tuned. So much to do and so little time. I think a lot of us are finding ourselves in that predicament right now. But today's video, we're going to do very quickly, and it's going to be one of those things that you can always use. I have them sitting here in front of me. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. Your generous support really helps to make it possible for me to be able to continue to bring you these high quality videos, and I really appreciate it. Like me, you probably have a whole lot of things that you want to get done. So this project today is not going to take up much of your time, but it's one of those that might come in handy from time to time. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is a closer look at these awesome little bags that we can make from one 12 by 12 piece of decorative cardstock or plain cardstock if that's all you have. And very easy to do. When finished, they measure 4 by 4 by 4. And with a very slight fold and tuck, we are going to have a cute little 5-minute bag. Here's what we need to make it. All right, so you need a 12 by 12 inch piece. And let's go ahead and score at 4 on all 4 sides. So that's 4 on all 4 sides. And you'll be amazed at how many of these you can make quickly. If you need some party favors, or if you want to give some gifts to your coworkers or friends, very quick way to do it. So now we're just going to fold and burnish all of those scores. And then I'm going to take my finger blade, go to the score mark, and we're just going to drag straight down. And we do that on all 4 sides. So go to that score mark and drag straight down. So then I'm going to bring my trimmer back in, and I'm going to take these middle pieces here and just fold them in because I want them to not be in the way. And I'm going to take the score mark and just align it with 2.5, and then I'm going to cut. And I'll rotate it and do the same thing over here. So I'm going to take that score mark, slide it over to 2.5, and then I'll cut. We will need 2 of these pieces. So now that it looks like this, I can go ahead and do an angle cut on all 4 sides. And now your piece is going to look like this. We can simply take our glue, and I am going to add glue to my 4 tabs, and we'll put the box together. And at this point, it really is a box, but we are going to turn it into a bag. So I'm just adding all of my glue. And then I'll just take my sides, and we're just going to join them to make our box. Use my big old spatula, go in and get that stuck, and we just go around and do the same thing. Get that nice and stuck, and we'll get this nice and stuck. And that's how quick and easy it was to make that. So where we folded over the pieces, that is going to be the front and the back. Then we're going to take the sides and just pinch in. And then we can just take the top. And that is how we make this sweet little bag. So I am going to bring in these two pieces that we cut from the sides, and I'm not even going to place them in my scoreboard. I'm just going to fold those in half. And this is just going to give me a nice decorative topper on the front and the back. So now I'm going to take my scissors and just trim. And I am cutting at a slight angle like that. And then I'm just going to round the ends, because you guys know me, I like to round those ends. And now I'll take my glue, place my glue on this piece. Then I'll take this piece. We're going to place it right there on the top, like that. Get that nice and stuck. And we'll do this side as well. So we're going to take it, put it on, get it nice and stuck. And there is our sweet little bag. And like I said, so easy to make that you can make bunches of these in no time. So now I'm just going to drop a few chocolates in mine. This would just be a little favor that I would give to someone. Y'all, you have so many options on ways that you can close these, and I'll show you those options in just a minute. But I am going to punch a hole here, and then I'm going to punch a hole over here because I want to run some ribbon through mine. So I am using my Crop-A-Dile Big Bite. And I'm just going to take my ribbon and feed it through from the front to the back on both sides, like this. And it'll be on the back like this. Then I'm going to take this piece and just feed it through the opposite hole, bringing it back to the front. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So I'll just feed this through the opposite hole and bring it through the front. And then I'm going to trim a little bit of this ribbon. And there we have another beautiful way to close our bag. Now on all of these, I decided to make my closure permanent by closing it using glue. But on this one, I used the ribbon. And because I would consider these one and done, I have absolutely no problem with filling it and then sealing it with glue. So we have this one. We have this little cutie, this cutie, this one, and then we have this one, which is just oh so pretty. I am going to find a little embellishment for it, and I'll be right back. So I think I'm going to take this piece of embellishment that says North Pole Express Delivery, add a little bit of glue to the corner, and then I'm just going to tuck it under that ribbon like that. And y'all, isn't that super cute and so quick and easy to make? Like I said, you can make this little bag right here in under 5 minutes. Then adding some embellishments might make it to 6 or 7 minutes, but making this bag with one sheet of 12 by 12 in under 5 minutes. And it is so stinking cute. So guys, I hope that you have liked this Friday quick and easy video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.